Yes, good morning class. Again we'll start our class with this pledge. I, Kulvinder Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So class, today we will revise chapter 1 of history for unit test. Name of the chapter is The Modern World. Today we will revise this chapter for unit test. First we will revise Phillips. The sources of information on modern history are usually categorized into dash and dash sources. Sources of information on modern history are usually categorized into primary and secondary sources. So, sources of information on modern history are usually categorized into primary and secondary sources. Next, the word Renaissance means to rebirth. The word Renaissance means to rebirth. An important event that sparked Renaissance was the fall of the city of Constantinople. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I. N-O-P-L-E. It's Constantinople. Next Philip. The Protestant Reformation movement was spearheaded by dash. The Protestant Reformation movement was spearheaded by Martin Luther. M-A-R-T-I-N. Martin, L-U-T-H-E-R, Luther. M should be capital and L should also be capital. Dash invented the printing press in Germany. Germany ने printing press को invent किया था Johannes Gutenberg. J-O-H-A-N-N-E-S. Johannes G-U-T-E-N Gutenberg. B-E-R-G. Jonathan Gutenberg. So next we have matchups. First one, Bartholomew Diaz will be matched with sailed around Africa for the first time. Sailed around Africa for the first time. So Bartholomew Diaz is matched with D. Sailed around Africa for the first time. Next, Martin Luther will be matched with 95 theses. Henry VIII will be matched with established Church of England. Henry VIII established Church of England. Vasco da Gama will be matched with discovered India. Michelangelo will be matched with Renaissance painter. Michelangelo was the painter, Renaissance painter. Next, come to the choose the correct answer. Who discovered the America mainland? Answer is Christopher Columbus. Who discovered the America mainland? Name the person who discovered the America mainland, Christopher Columbus. Next, when did the modern period start in Indian history? When did the modern period start in Indian history? 15th century, 16th century, 17th century or 18th century? So answer is 18th century. 18th century. So the modern period starts in Indian history from 18th century. Next, which of the following is a primary source of information? Contemporary books, research papers, archaeological remains, films based on historical events. So answer is archaeological remains. Archaeological remains. When did Bartholomew Diaz reach the tip of South Africa? In 1488. Answer is 1488. What is the Reformation also called? Protestant movement. Another name for Reformation is Protestant movement. Next, answer the following questions in brief. What are the transitional periods? The progression of time from one period to another in history is called transitional periods. The progression of time from one period to another in history is called transitional periods. How are the sources of information on modern age categorized? Sources of information on modern age categorized. Historians reconstruct the modern age through various sources material which help in better understanding of this period. How are the sources of information on modern age categorized? Historians reconstructs the modern age through various sources material which help in better understanding of this concept. तो क्या historians जो है वो बहुत सी material को as a history source use करते हैं. And here we have to which are the various sources. जो various sources material वो कौन सा हो सकता है? These were in the form of books, fossils, coins, है ना? किसी भी फॉर्म में हिस्ट्री के सोर्सेज हो सकते हैं. हिस्टोरियंस रिकंस्ट्रक्ट्स द मॉडर्न एज थ्रू वेरियस सोर्सेज मटेरियल विच हेल्प इन बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस पीरियड. नेक्स्ट है डिफाइन द टर्म रेनेसांस. जो रेनेसांस है वो उसका मीन्स क्या है? द पीरियड ऑफ ग्रेट रिवाइवल एंड रीजनरेशन इन यूरोप इज नोन एज रेनेसांस. इट इज़ फ्रेंच वर्ड दैट मीन्स रीबर्थ. So, Renaissance is a French word that means rebirth. After that we have long questions. How did the fall of Constantinople fuel the Renaissance? The fall of the city was to have immense consequences for the Italian Renaissance. Many Greek scholars fled to different cities of Italy. They were patronized by the wealthy merchants of Italy. Many libraries and universities were set up to promote classical and modern learning in Europe. Next we have, why did people of Europe undertake voyage of discovery? The major cause of the earliest European voyages of discovery was economic. The Europeans were searching for sea routes that would allow them to engage in more direct trade with Asia. So our content is only up to this much and you have to learn E part at home. With this, goodbye to all of you.